Okay, so this is through the Sneakers app.
Sneakers app, yeah.
All right,
It's morning time. I'm making my coffee, bro. Get a little vibrate. What the hell is this? Wait, off-white? Oh, hold up my coffee. I'm brewing it, but I gotta stop. I gotta order these. I believe it looks very, very similar. I mean, it's just...
Close that. Dust that off a little bit. Through the app notification.
App notification.
Okay.
So you gotta know, I got my watch, so that vibrates.
So you pop in right away.
Yeah. I just stop what I'm doing, grab my credit card. I know the CCV, but I just gotta make sure it's correct. I memorized the 3-digit number, but I'm just making sure. Go through the process, check out, confirm, dude.
Whoa, bro, you know what I mean?
Mine has way more holes.
Way more?
Way more holes and half holes.
Swiss cheese.
Yes, almost Swiss cheese. It's also not attached, so the lid fully detached.
Dress shoes do that.
Yeah, full detachment. That's another big thing.
It's like a gift box.
Yeah.
Everything that's like hovering around this event. Like, tell me about it.
Like early in the summer, maybe like June, I heard of them. So there's 50 different colorways, I guess, in a way. 2 of them are exclusive because it's beginning and end. Number 1, number 50. The rest are fairly similar, I would say. So they're either leather and canvas or suede and leather. And then the colorways are slightly different for each
across all the in-betweens.
Yes.
Right, because number 1 and 50 distinctly
different. The first 10 are, like I said, leather and canvas. And then the next 10 would be...
that's actually a part of the...
That's part of their design.
Yeah, broken out by the specific like material layout.
Yep. Okay. Number 1 through 10, leather, canvas. 11 through 20 would be your leather and suede. So you got the suede, nice hairy suede.
Open that one up, bro.
So, same paper.
Behind the scenes while he's doing his masterpiece on what is the dunk. This is this iteration.
So this
right?
Is like
then this is this iteration of the concept.
Like fuzzy.
Yeah. It's got that felt almost.
Yeah,
like.
a felt feel.
I love how you can always play with the swoosh like a slash. Mm-hmm. You can always get this like secondary branding to just work. You've been doing dunks since like the beginning of the SB era. So like that's the hot dunk now. We've known about the dunk.
Yeah.
We've seen the dunk.
We've seen it for the last 20 years. Just about. Yeah, about 20 years.
Almost, yeah, dude. 2003 was when I was like cutting those Nike SB ads out of the magazines and putting in my binder.
Yep.
Oh man, dude. When I do prototypes, right? So with my website right now, it's a long scroll.
Yeah.
15 different code types, table sets that I've built in like W3 School or CodePen, and I'm letting them sit on one page so the master CSS can affect them all. That's what this is. This is like, let's see how many different things we could do to a dunk, and then we could start dialing it back due to the information that we got by making this.
Yes. On these, it's got a lot of different things. It's got obviously the shoe overlays. It's got a little rubber tag identifying which model this is. So 11 out of 50.
And that's also, that says it on the on the zip.
Yeah. So that's unique to this shoe.
What type of material is that?
This little bumper? It's just rubber.
It's just rubber, and is that
just glued on?
Is glued on there?
I believe.
Like you could pry that off.
Yeah. You can just pluck that thing off. You'll have some glue residue, but
there's a way.
There's a way. Very suede. I do like that, and the leather. I wish they made it all leather, but my choice.
You don't like the material on material different regions?
Like this is all mostly suede, so like I like one.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I like the suede and the leather.
Okay, you like the combo.
Well, I like it all leather. I like it all suede, and I like it suede. Nubuck is one of my favorite. Actually, Dunk is what got me into Nubuck. I didn't even know what that was. Swapping out material stages. It's like, yo, I want to see what we can do first.
Yep.
That's just like everything all at once.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how many tricks we could flip onto the Dunk before it stops looking like a dunk.
Yep.
And then we can start doing all the
real dunk,
orchestrating a piece.
Yeah. I don't think I would wear these personally. They're kind of crazy. Too crazy.
I like how he used outside of the actual panels of the Dunk.
Yeah. Cool looking, but not if I was wearing the shoe.
Yeah, I treat it like artwork.
Yeah. So I've also seen other ones. So the inside print, some of it I see the off-whites on top of the swoosh.
Okay.
This is underneath it. So it'll say the model.
I know what you're talking about.
Because it says Nike, and it's supposed to say Dunk. You can kind of see it, but you don't get it because the swoosh cuts it off.
But there are some where the print is on the swoosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where the print is on the other side. It's got nice like little details that you gotta really notice. I'm
normally just like, bro, I just like the SBs because I remember the time of the SB from when we were in the SBs. I do appreciate just the Dunk. Is it foil stamp on the inside? Like it's
this stuff?
Yeah.
So it just says.
You can feel it pressed into the material?
Yep. Pressed into both the suede and the leather, that's
actually kind of impressive.
Pretty good. I mean, obviously they did that before they put the swoosh on, because the swoosh is on top.
Mm-hmm.
So they had to press that in like
in process.
In mid process. Yeah. It says off-white for Nike, and it says Nike Dunk. I'm 100% sure. I can't really read it. And then Beaverton, Oregon. C 1985.
They got this print, but they didn't go all out with the foil. They were like, let's just big like a boop, right? And then they were like, let's look at how fine we can get this foil stamp.
Yeah.
Let's see if a bubble
can work.
Be doing anything to the silhouette of the Dunk. For me, being a Dunk head, I still instantly recognize this as a Dunk because of this area. Right. Everything above, I was like, it's kind of up for debate. There's other shoes up in there. There's other Nike shoes that they did up in here.
Yeah.
Adding that bubble in there was like, yo, I've not seen that, never even thought of it. That looks hella tight.
It's different. It's an interesting Dunk. I don't know.
If I had to choose between that and that, I'd be like, that's a Dunk.
Yeah.
This has a Dunk part to it.
Yep. It's not your standard pure cardboard box. It looks like it's taped up. So it's that print tape. It's not tape.
Oh, it's not actual tape on a box.
Yes.
But it has a different surface texture than the rest of the box.
Yes.
Due to the printing method.
Yep. Pretty cool. It's got a bunch of holes. I mean, reminiscing to this. Like, got the little hole. It's totally weird. It's funky.
What vibe does this give you? Like, do you understand his concept?
It's Fifth Element style. Like, kind of weird, but modern. The
aesthetic and like I call it the seed of time. Like there's
Okay.
so much different things that have happened in the dunk
Mhm.
in the past since 1985. Your memory can only recall so many different things.
Yeah.
So this is definitely like directly taken out of that. There's not been a dunk like this before.
No.
Just like the other one had the air
Yes.
bubble in it. You know how like my take on the Kanye thing is like he's making shoes for when we're all wearing like earth tone robes,
Yep.
like in those future movies, and we all have like
That's
we all
what I'm
have
saying,
like
like,
really sleek tools.
Fifth Element stuff.
Right,
Like,
yeah, exactly,
kinda
right?
Weird, but like
It's
that
like the next
totally works.
right, exactly. Okay.
Totally works.
And then the Nike on the back isn't even stitched.
No,
It's
Nike on
not
the back
even
is
embroidered.
Just straight printed. It is pressed in.
Okay.
It just feels just like a black, like vinyl pressed in. And they also use a retro Nike tag.
Oh, that the brand's on the
Yes.
is on the
It's
side.
on the side, yes.
This
Cow tag.
this doesn't have livestock. This doesn't have any branding on
It
it.
doesn't. There's nothing on it.
No.
Oh wow, no print.
The dunk itself is the outfit.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? You don't really put these things with things.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? Like these things are the things. These are the outfit. It's like when we're all wearing earth tone robes,
Basic
it's
brand.
like these are these are it, bro.
Basic brand.
Mini spaceships on your feet, bro. These soles is what made it for me. Like
I think
you
that'd
had
Pretty cool.
this upper with this lower.
I think it was like a Thursday. I got the exclusive access. Just get an email like order confirmed. And just wait. I think it showed up on the next Tuesday. So pretty fast, like 5 days.
Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. I believe they put the 2-day shipping on
What type of box did it come in?
the shoebox or shipping box.
The shipping box.
I got the one without the Just Do It black tape.
Oh, okay.
It still says Nike. Like if you gotta look.
You have to look, you have to kind of like be
Yeah, it's got
around the package
the
to
print
like
is on the top of the box.
Oh wait, show me the picture.
This actual
That's the box.
box top, that little tag. So season fall 21. I heard they produced 140,000 total pairs of these off-white dunks. So that equates to like about 30,000 of each pair, of each like number in your full size runs.
Like all the way through like 15 probably.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a lot because you're like doing 50 shoes, 50 different shoes. But if you break it down, it's not that much.
Each one is its
Yeah.
own type of like rarity in its lot.
Yes.
You're not going to be able to like without a lot of extreme effort
Mm-hmm.
be able to like gather them.
Yeah.
I really like this suede.
Yeah.
It's got this nice like raised. This leather has a really nice texture to it.
Yeah.
When I see it in the light like this,
that leather is nice.
say that again.
I like that leather, dude. That leather is nice, dude. Just overall. And then the secondary outer lace. But also both of them say this little shoelace moniker that Virgil always does, both on the shoelaces.
Homie Virgil. Yeah, you know, we on a first name basis, you know, it's just Virgil.
Yeah.
You're my hand model. You're a Zoolander
Zoolander.
hand model. I'm a hand model, Derek.
David
I'm not a face and like butt model. In terms of being the like the designer, the graphic designer, I'm like, oh, maybe I'm not a face and butt model designer. Maybe I'm more like the hand model designer. Yeah, the thing with that tag is like if it tears in the paper like that, it's just like there's no way around it.
My tissue paper, the white one, was pretty torn when I got it.
Do it like a shop at home, you know. It's like
HSN right here, dude. I don't really see myself wearing this. If they were more regular,
if they're more conventional.
I would probably wear them.
You need a shoe that's like, bro, I live real life, bro. I live regular life.
That's what I like to do. Dude.
Impressive.
Impressive to make 50 different ones 50 different ways. Like, that's entertaining.
Sneakers in transit rain.
Sponsored by United Airlines. That's what it's made for. Golf cleats.
Oh.
Golf shoes.
I was about to say, the way it opens up and everything, I was like, that is just like the perfect thing for shoes, dude. And it is. It was made for shoes. You did not take that video in vain. Now I have it through my camera. And it's going to be used in my episode.